This is Anthony with AA Sewer Inspection here at 9565 North Kellogg, and we're here in the basement going in through the cast iron clean out here at the front wall. Okay, cast iron showing a lot of rust, oxidation here, flaking, limited life. Seven feet transition concrete. We got some standing water here at the hub, improper grade. So we got root intrusion at this fitting just past the hub. We'll continue on with our inspection, and we'll mark this with green paint at the end. So more roots. Looks like they're coming in right through the fitting here where the two sections of concrete pipe come together. Looks like we got some breaks here in the concrete section. No roots though. We'll press on. "24 feet, we got to transition to clay. Okay, 29 feet, we are going into a PVC. And now back to clay with some roots coming in at this fitting. We did a spot repair and it's bad.
You see, they were sort of using this as a bedroom.
So they
Yeah, prior they had like bed and all kinds of stuff. It was like an actual bedroom. They had it set up. Yeah, they still do. It's sort of like a.
So this is like a fibrous root intrusion here at 38 feet. Here's our city connection. We'll end our video here. I'm going to locate this with green paint, and we've got root intrusion, and we've got some broken, damaged concrete sections, combination of cast iron, ABS, PVC, clay, and concrete. 39 feet from the cleanout here to the city connection. Suggested repair will be marked with green paint.